Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode I will be doing a quick unboxing, a quick install, and a semi-quick demonstration of the GARMIN Polarized Lens Cap Filter. It is going to be installed on my dash cam number 56 that I have on my front windshield, and that is inside my 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition double cab with the V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine, dynamic fuel management, and an 8-speed automatic transmission. You can purchase this GARMIN Polarized Lens Filter cap at GARMIN Das-Cam. I will put a link in the description for this item. It is $19.99. It will fit the GARMIN Catalyst, their dash cams 45, 46, and 47, and the 55, 56, which I have in my truck, and the 57. It will also fit the dash cam Mini 2, and their remote cam. It will not fit the GARMIN Tandem. So what this lens filter cap is supposed to do, it's supposed to filter out any glare and reflections that you would get from the sun or off headlamps at night. My rear window has a medium tint, so I don't need it out that one. My front window has a light tint, so I'm sure this will still make a difference. So on to the unboxing. Now for the unboxing, should be pretty quick. You have instruction manual and the bag that the polarized lens filter comes in. There is a protective film over the lens to protect it, and you just take that off afterwards. On the lens there is a notch, and what you're going to do is, here's your dash cam. That notch is going to be at the top of your dash cam lens, and that's it. And then just peel off the protective film. There you go. Go ahead and reinstall this back in your vehicle and you'll be good to go. Before I install this back in my vehicle, I want to point out, do not rotate this polarized lens filter cap while it's on the GARMIN. If you need to take this cap off for some reason, just pull it straight off, push it straight on. Just make sure that the notch is pointing upward. There is a gasket on the inside of this lens filter, so it will keep dust from getting in between the GARMIN lens and the backside of this filter. But my plan is today to do two separate videos, one in about a half an hour and then one tonight at 9 o'clock. Both those videos are going to consist of two video clips, one with the lens and one without, so we can see the difference. And then tomorrow morning we'll come back, I'll finish up the video. Should be pretty interesting to see the difference between the daytime shot and the nighttime shot. So I'm going to go ahead and get this in my vehicle, and then we'll go ahead and do that daytime shot right now. And I might go have breakfast afterwards. So see you later. Bye. Well, I'm back, and I did have breakfast at my favorite place, which is IHOP. I did those two video clips, one with and one without the lens filter. I did view it on the back of the dash cam number 56. I then downloaded it to my cell phone through the GARMIN app, and there is definitely a difference between having the filter lens and not having the filter lens. Even though I have a tinted window, it still made a difference. So it would be pretty interesting to see in about 7.5 hours from now the difference that there will be at nighttime with and without the lens. And then I guess we'll be back first thing tomorrow morning to finish up this video, and I'll show you all 4 of those video clips at that time. Thanks again for watching, and see you tomorrow morning. And I hope it doesn't rain. A couple weeks ago I washed my truck, it rained that night. I washed my truck yesterday, and it's cloudy today. It's been this way all day. It better not rain, because that makes me upset. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye. Hello and welcome back. It's the next day, and it's approximately 9:30 a.m. I did end up redoing the 2 daytime video clips. I didn't like the way they looked when I got home and uploaded them to my computer. There was just too many vehicles driving along the road with me, and it kind of took your attention away from what I wanted you to focus on, and that is of the pavement, the sides, and the clouds. So I ended up redoing those at about maybe 1 o'clock or something like that. I can't really remember. It might be in the timestamp on the video. But anyway, remember there are 4 videos, 2 daytime, 2 nighttime, and there's one with the lens and one without for both the daytime and the nighttime. So the first set of videos I'm going to put up are going to be of the daytime, and they should be up like right now. Now if you look at the one on the left, that's the one with no filter. The one on the right has the filter. You can definitely see a slight difference between the two. The one with the filter is definitely crisper and clear and has kind of like an HD quality to it. And the one that's on the left is just a tad bit, a little bit darker than the one on the left. I mean the one on the right. Now remember, I do have a fully lightly tinted windshield, so some of that glare is already cut down if there was any, but there wouldn't be any glare in the daytime unless the sun was shining straight in through the front windshield. But on that day, it was overcast. So just continue to look at both videos as I'm driving down the road. There's about 15 seconds left. Okay, so now I have the two nighttime videos. I'm going to put those up next. It took about maybe 3 round trips for to get these two videos, so here those two are right now. The video on the right is the one that has the polarized lens filter. The one on the left doesn't. Now I know the video that is on the right appears to be darker than the video on the left. That is because there is a lens filter on the GARMIN Das-Cam during recording. Now what that lens filter is going to do for you at night is as headlights are coming towards you, it will cut down the glare from those headlights and from overhead street lamps. So that way when you have to play back the video, you won't have the glare from those headlights or the street lights. And if you look way down the road, you'll see some lights. I actually think they look clearer on the right video that has the lens filter than they do without. Keep an eye on the cars coming towards you on the left side of each video screen, and you'll see that there is less glare coming from the headlights that are on the right video than on the left. Now there's about 5 more seconds of this video left, so just go ahead and keep watching until it's over. Well, that's it for this little segment. So I guess that's it. So now on to my closing spiel. But now there's a damn airplane again. I don't think it's Amazon. It looks like a big cargo army airplane. It's big, it's fat, and it's wide. And loud. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the installation and a demonstration of the GARMIN Polarized Filter Lens Cap that I put on my GARMIN Das-Cam number 56. It does fit the GARMIN Catalyst, the GARMIN 45, 46, 47, 55, 56, 57, the GARMIN Mini, the GARMIN Mini 2, and the GARMIN Remote. And it's installed in my 2019 Chevy Silverado. I do recommend this lens filter cap. It did make a difference, and I'm sure if it would have been a sunny 2 days, like it has been for a while, it would have been nice to see what that lens filter does for a pure sunny day when the sun is coming right into your windshield. But that's for another day. I'm sure when I install it on my motorcycle, I will see a big difference, and maybe I'll do one for that one too. But for right now, you could see that there was a definite difference of with the lens cap, with the lens filter, and then without the lens filter. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit the like button if you like it, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out. Thanks for watching, and like all my other videos, there's definitely going to be some bloopers at the end of it, which should be at this end. I always point to that side, but it should be on that side. So anyway, that's it. Have a good day, and check this out. I got water today. I figured I have to cut back on beer. Getting a little beer belly. Well, that's it, people. I gotta go. Thanks. Hello and welcome to my channel, How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode, I will be doing a very short and a test 1, test 2, test 3. I already messed it up. First take. A short unboxing. No, it's the other way around. Unboxing. It's an unboxing Oh, what is it again? Unblock. Hello and welcome to another episode of How to... Shut up, you little fucking cat. I'm gonna kick your ass. Test one. Shut up. Hey. Little bitch. You can purchase this polarized lens cap at GARMIN Das-Cam. GARMIN Das-Cam. No, need a beer. Son of a biscuit. And right now I have the Das-Cam 57 on my windshield, and I also have a Das-Cam 56. No, did I say 56 or 57? You can purchase this polarized lens filter, polarized. I have a hard time saying polarized. No, it's an AR, polarized. But before I install my vehicle, I just want to tell you what I plan on doing for the demonstration. I'm going to do 2 runs, one in about a half an hour and one tonight after about, fucking voice. So, see you tomorrow morning. All right, bye. Watch it probably rain. Washed my car yesterday. Last time I washed it, it rained the next day. Pissed me off. So, looks pretty sweet today. I downloaded those 2 clips to my my phone from my Test 1, test 2, test 3. While I'm back, I did the test 1. Now, as you can see, the one that is on your left, fucking Amazon, god damn it. I didn't hear one at all this morning, and now one is flying overhead. Oh shit. So that's it. So I'm done with this video. Took way too long to film, and it's a really short one, but I got some bloopers for the end of it, so that's pretty good. And another blooper right there.